This is Jamal Adil. This video is in collaboration with Sabinetek. I occasionally record videos with a USB microphone which is not suitable for outdoor use. The SmartMike Plus is an incredible small lavalier mic which delivers amazing audio quality. This mic is designed for the Bluetooth pairing for your iPhone and Android devices, making it perfect for content creators. SmartMike Plus Bluetooth HiFi wireless lavalier mic is available for $139, and if you're looking for 15% off, use my channel name Hrs Adventures, which you can find in the description. But you have to buy it on Sabinetek website, and now open it and get your 15% discount. Let us unwrap the package. The Sabinetek SmartMike Plus is a Bluetooth 5.0 wireless microphone. It works with the iOS and Android smartphones and is available in black and white. It is very easy to connect to your Bluetooth. We need to download the SmartMike Plus app, and this app will automatically detect your wireless microphone. Before I use anything, I always prefer to update the firmware, and it takes a few minutes to complete the process. The SmartMike Plus app offers real-time monitoring and a settings panel with auto and pro features. The listening enhancement feature is good if you are vlogging or doing an interview for someone. We have 4 levels of noise reduction, which is wonderful for broadcast or live streaming. There are a number of filters for video enhancements. We have a few options for camera settings. First come the video resolution and frame rate settings. Then we have options for the video bitrate, and I prefer to use high settings. Next we have the dual camera options. You can set to picture-in-picture mode and side-by-side mode. A few options related to video format, grid lines or image scaling levels. There is a device management menu where you can check the firmware version and some other features. Also there is an option radio mode, which is only for audio recording. There is also a cool feature in the My Clips section of the app that makes transferring files to your computer. You can also connect the included earphone with 3.5mm jack plug for easy listening to the audio. This wireless lavalier microphone is small and portable. The battery is 110 mAh lithium battery that gives you 5 to 6 hours of use on a full charge. A Windsock is also included in the package, which is wonderful when podcast. A wind muff or dead cat fur is also included, which is for outdoor use and provides extra protection from wind noise and plosive sounds. The SmartMike Plus is designed to be professional level microphone that you can use with your smartphone or camera, so the features are a mix of audio engineering and convenience. This is the test of audio quality using Sabinetek SmartMike Plus with 100% noise reduction, and it is ideal for vocal recording, vlogging, podcast, interviews and more. The best features of SmartMike Plus are its sound quality and ease of use. Its noise cancelling feature as well as microphone's recording capabilities ensures clear audio quality. The Bluetooth connection is reliable and stable. It is wireless and small. You can put the microphone where you need it without worrying about the cable. For 15% discount, use the code TJ's Adventures and it's available in $139. Also, I place the Sabinetek website down below in the video description. If you are interested in laptop reviews, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next time.